Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way to how to repair the treadmill. I got this treadmill for quite long and it's a great machine overall, but it had some issues, it wouldn't start, and then I called the repair guy to come and have a look, but when he showed up he was asking crazy amount of money to do the repair. It was almost insane amount of money, really. So I said, okay, I'm gonna, call you back. And what I did, I decided to do it by myself. And, so I got pretty much all the tools, and I opened it and, look at it, and it was just a little issues. I fixed it for a very little amount of money. And plus, I didn't end up taking it back, the whole machine to the store. That was another thing, because they wanted to take the whole machine to their repair shop. All I did, I took the dashboard and I took it to the electronics store, and they just fixed it in a minute. So as you guys see in the screen right now, that's the cover. We're gonna take it out. As you guys see right now, I already took it out. On the right side, that's the dashboard. This is where all the function happen. On the left side, the motor, the black motor. But in my case, because the motor is good and all we need to do just to repair the dashboard. As you guys see on the right picture, you see those red arrow mark. That's where the thing was burned out. So when I took it to the electronics shop, all they did, they replaced it within 10 minutes, and I took the dashboard with me back. And right here in the screen, that was the replacement piece, the AC hot wire thing. That was the only thing burned. One of the things you guys need to make sure, if you guys do decide to take it out and do it by yourself, unscrew those two screws. Those are the two screws holding the dashboard. One side note, make sure you guys do take a great picture of the dashboard, because when you guys bring the dashboard back, you guys need to know which screw go where. In my case, I made a great picture or video, so I will remember, because there is a lot of wiring and stuff. And so I'm very happy with it, because I fixed that whole issue for just a few dollars, versus the guy was asking a crazy amount of money, and plus they were taking it the whole treadmill to their shop. So here is the repair piece. As you guys see that yellow, I don't know what they call, I don't know the exact name, but that little piece right there, that's what the guy replaced that piece. So hopefully it worked, and I hope it solved the issues. And I'm gonna put it back, the dashboard, this unit, the motherboard or whatever you guys call it. We're gonna also test it right on the spot to make sure that we did all we wanted. So as you guys see, those are the few screws. There is not a lot of screw to do this job. And as I said earlier, make sure you guys do have a great picture before you guys taking it out. Right there, as you guys see that black wire, I had a short wire, and I also bring the same wire, a longer wire, because I had a little bit issue. I had the smaller and I want a bigger long wire. So I also replaced that one. It was pretty easy. So right now I put the dashboard back in place. Those were the two screws. I put it back, and now the time it's to put those wire back in place, and I'm gonna show you in a second. So make sure all the screw is tight, and because it does move around, when you guys do jogging and stuff. So right there, I put all the wiring back in place, and I'm gonna take that out. As you guys see, it's pretty easy. It doesn't take that much force, but you guys need to be extra careful. See right there, there is a little pin beneath the clip, and that just, you don't want to push it too hard, because you guys, we may end up breaking it up. So I'm just rechecking it again to make sure all tight, and as you guys see, it's pretty much all set. And now I'm gonna plug it in, or we also end up replacing the fuse. You know, that's I forgot to mention that. So here is the final look, guys. Now we're all set to do the test, and now let's push the button and see how it works, and if it works. So I'm gonna push the button, and there you go, guys, it did work. All right, that was that easy. I saved a ton of money, really. Plus, I didn't end up taking it back. I'm gonna speed up a little bit to see if it's work with a different mode. Yeah, it does work. Anywho, guys, the purpose of this video, that if I did it, anybody can do it at home. And it's just that simple, but you guys do need some technique, you know, to make sure that you guys do it right. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.